Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Mahmood Hassan, Assistant Teacher, Agriculture, Greenfield School and College. Dear student of class 10, today I will discuss about some board questions and solution on chapter 1. The today's first question is: Siam established a farm with 5 pregnant cows. Local livestock officer advised him feed algae instead of oil cake and teach him its production and feed technique. Question A: what is algae? The answer is: algae are a kind of plant which are unicellular or multicellular. Question B: why is provided at evening? Why feed is provided? Why feed is provided at the evening for shrimp? Answer of the question is: shrimp are nocturnal crustaceans. Shrimp takes feed at night. That's why the required feed needs to be provided at evening or night. Question C: explain how Siam make his cows food. Answer of the question is: Siam will use algae instead of oil cakes to prepare feed for his cows. The production method is described below. At first, Siam needs to dig a pond at a shaded and flat place which has to be 3 meters long, 1.2 meters wide and 0.15 meters deep. After that, he will soak 100 gram black gram or another pulse 1 liter of water overnight and then collect the water by straining with cloth. In the next stage, he will mix 200 liters of clean tap water, 15 to 20 liters of algae seeds and black gram, brown soaked water properly in the artificial pond. Then he will add 2 to 3 gram urea to the pond water and mix properly. He will stir the algae mixed water at least 3 times in every morning, noon and afternoon. If he applies 1 to 2 gram of urea in the pond every 3 to 4 days interval, it will result in good yield. This is the method Siam will follow to harvest algae for his cows. Number D question is: evaluate the logic of livestock officer's advice. Answer of this question is: the livestock officer suggested Siam to feed algae instead of oil cakes to his pregnant cows. Algae is a unicellular or multicellular plant which can be used as livestock feed. This is a potential nutritious protein feed which can be fed to the livestock instead of oil cakes and dry fish powder. Dry algae contain around 50 to 70% protein, 20 to 22% fat and 8 to 26% carbohydrates. In addition, algae have substantial vitamin B and C. Use of algae water can increase meat and milk production in cow in low cost. As his as these feeds help the livestock attain quick growth and nutrition, it is very effective feed for maintaining health of the pregnant cows and newborn calves. If the baby calves in the mother's womb is not developed properly, then it will not become a high yielding cow. That's why it can be said that the suggestion of the livestock officer is accurate. Now the another stem is look at this picture and answer the question. This in this this is in this creative question. The first question is, what is called contour method? Answer of the contour method is cultivation of crops on lines created across the slope of hill is called cultivation on the steep of hill or contour cultivation. Question B. Explain the main reason of soil erosion. The answer of the question B is the main reason of soil erosion is rainfall. The intensity, number and amount of rainfall influence soil erosion. If there is heavy rainfall, the rain droplets become larger and hit the soil with high pressure. It loses the soil particles. Again, when soil loses its water absorption capacity due to excess rainfall, the excess water creates a flow and moves from higher slope to lower slope by creating soil erosion. The higher the speed of water flow, the higher the soil erosion. In this way, soil erosion occurs due to rainfall. Now question C. Explain the next step as shown in the figure. Answer of the question C. Real erosion has been mentioned in the shown figure, whose next step is channel or gully erosion. Channel or gully erosion is the third step of sheet erosion. That means sheet erosion is the source of real erosion, which is source of channel erosion. This type of erosion is found in the hilly regions of Bangladesh. The small channel produced in the real erosion are increased in length and width due to longer durational real erosion. Later on, rainfall increases the erosion of these channels and gives them the shape of drains or small rivers. This erosion is known as channel or gully erosion. The more the rainfall occurs, the more channel erosion occurs. So, channel or gully erosion is the natural soil erosion whose main reason is rainfall. Question D is analyze the statement. The next step as shown in the figure is the best appropriate in a particular area of a special method. Answer of the question D is the next step of the mentioned figure is channel or gully erosion. Channel erosion is found more in the hilly regions of Bangladesh. If cultivation is practiced along the slope, avoiding across the slope in the hilly areas, the soil erosion is caused due to rainfall. If it is tried to cultivate in normal way, landslide or soil erosion may occur. Frequent cultivation of land also cause soil erosion. June cultivation is a prevalent method of cultivation in hilly areas. From years after years, The Aboriginal people earn their livelihood by cultivating in this method. Consequently, soil becomes loose in Zoom cultivation areas and soil erosion occurs. If cultivation is done by making plain steps around the surface of the hill instead of Zoom cultivation, rainwater cannot erode soil of the hill. In contour method, crops are cultivated on the lines created across the slope. Since the crops are cultivated across the slope, the speed of rainwater flow becomes lower. The soil without transporting deposited near the base of the plants. As a result, soil erosion decrease. Therefore, zoom cultivation is best suited in case of channel erosion in hilly areas. The last question of today's class is: the farmer Ashmoth Ali cultivate black gram in his 2 bighas land in the last Rabi season. He planted to preserve black gram in green condition in 1 bigha from his land. So that fulfill the demand of livestock feed in unfavorable and adverse environment. This stem came in the examination of SSC in 2016. The question A is: what is called concentrated feed? Answer is: the feed in which lower amount of fiber and higher amount of energy is found is known as concentrated feed or concentrated feed. Question B: write the main purpose of poultry feed conservation. Answer is: feed conservation may be defined as a method of processing of feed by maintaining their quality and nutritional value for future use. The main objective of feed conservation is to protect feed from microorganisms and spoilage. Some vitamins may be deteriorated by ultraviolet ray if the feed is kept open at sunlight. Due to a high temperature, nutritional value of feed deteriorates and insects grow rapidly. If the relative humidity of feed and environment is high, fungus grows. Fungus grown feed creates toxicity in animals. For this reason, feed of animals are conserved. Question C: describe the implementation technique of Ashmoth Ali's plan. Answer of question C is: Ashmoth Ali planned to conserve black gram in green estate cultivated in his 1 bigha land. Ashmoth Ali will conserve black gram in green estate by preparing hay because black gram is more suitable for hay preparation. For this, he will cut black gram plants at the time of flowering and will dry it properly so that it can be stored without mold and excess temperature. He will dry the plants quickly, avoiding excessive sunlight so that they can maintain the characteristics of quality hay. He will invert cut plants to time in sunlight so that they cannot lose excessive moisture. During drying the sunlight, He will take care so that plants do not get drenched by rainwater. Normally, the green plants contain 75 to 80% moisture. Good quality hay contains 20 to 25% moisture. So, by drying the plants to 20 to 25% moisture level, he will conserve the grass on slat by peeling or in tin shed. In the above mentioned way, Ashmoth Ali will conserve black gram in green estate. Now question D. Analyze the importance of Ashmoth Ali's plan. Answer of the D is Ashmoth Ali planned to conserve black gram in green estate for maintaining the demand of feed for his livestock at the time of adverse environmental condition. Hay is prepared from green grasses by drying and lowering its moisture content at 20% or below. It is an important stage feed which can be supplied to the livestock all the year round. In Bangladesh, most of the livestock feed are cropped by products. Green grass maintain surplus even after feeding of livestock due to their huge production in rainy season. On the other hand, excessive leguminous grasses are also cultivated during winter. So, these surplus grasses need to be conserved and can be supplied to livestock during scarcity. By this, protein, vitamin and mineral requirement of livestock animals can be fulfilled all the year round. As a result, meat and milk production of livestock animals are not hampered. If other people conserve excessive amount of green grass produced in rainy season by marketing by making hay like Ashmoth Ali, year round feed requirement of livestock animal can be met. That is, the plan of Ashmoth Ali is very important. This is all about today's video. Thanks for watching this video.